Are you playing with George? Are you? I can't. There we go. You meeting George for the first time? Is that what you're doing? Having a good time? Look at you guys being such good buddies. Look at you being such good buddies. Yeah, George has been lonely. He would love to hang out with you, Pergo. And Casey and Katie are gonna love this video. Yes, they are. Sorry about so many shadows in here and not a lot of room to maneuver. But these guys have been having a great time giving each other loves. This is their first meetup. Look at that. Aww. George is rubbing his head on your mouth too. Look at that. Who's got all the love? That is adorable. You guys are adorable. Yes, you are. Who's adorable? This is just too cool. Who knows? Maybe George had a doggy buddy before. He showed no fear when Pergo came in. He just sat here and was like, "Ooh, yes, pay attention to me. Let me rub my head on you. Yeah, good girl. Do you have a new friend? Do you have a new friend, Pergo? Who has a new friend? You sniffing where he's been? What a good girl. What a good girl, being so nice to George. Who's a good girl? What are you trying to flip George over or something? That is adorable.